Hi everyone, Einat Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today we are at Paper Perks number 7. Paper Perks are printables that you can download from the Face group. You have a link to that group in the description under the video. So actually these are my favorite Paper Perks until now. These are my creepy ancestors tags that are especially made for Halloween, which is around the corner. So we have the female skull person, and then we have the creepy lady with the bat and the raven, the skull guy with the creepy eyes, and then the guy that sits in a room full of ghosts. So I'm going to cut these and be back to show you what I'm going to do with them. Okay, so what I want to do today is two things. So I'm going to show you both. First, you can use these as tags. Obviously, you can back them with another type of paper and then use them as inserts or cards. You can write on the back, add them to a scrapbook page, a mini album, etc. So what I want to do first is a pocket, which is really easy. Just going to apply glue to the sides and the bottom. And then this pocket can also be an insert. We don't want to glue it to a page or something, because then we're going to lose one side. And if you have excess, just simply cut them out. So this is a really cool pocket that we can insert to under paper clips. Remember, we made those. Or if we have the circle tuck things, let's put this in here. I really like this guy here. And then inside the pocket we can put things, whatever we want. So basically this is one cool thing. The second thing I want to make is a flap. So when we want to make a flap, we want to again gain both sides. So we want to create a hinge to use for the flap to open and close. So for that we need some sort of a paper. So I'm just going to use a scrap of coffee stained paper, fold it in half, and then even for this you can make the flap a pocket. So you can either apply glue on everything and glue them together so they will be just a two-sided flap, or you can add glue to bottom sides, make a pocket, or you can make the pocket from this side, which is what I'm going to do. So first we're going to attach the hinge. So we have two sides for the hinge. One side we're going to put glue, which is the right side, the bottom of the right side. Then we're going to align the fold of the hinge with the left side of our tag. Now we are going to add the other tag. So again, at this point you need to decide if you want to just attach it or make a pocket. So what I'm going to do is do this, apply glue to the bottom, the left side, and the top, and then attach my other tag. And now what I have is a pocket that is a side pocket. So now we can attach the hinge to whatever we want. If you want the flap to open to the right, then you leave the other side of the hinge folded this way. If you want it to open to the left, then you need to reverse the fold of the hinge. So now it will open like this. And this is what I want. So I'm going to look for a page. Ooh, this looks like fun. So what we're going to do is take the bottom of the hinge and apply glue again. I'm not worried that it's going to be on the paper at this point. The fold is aligned with the edge of the page. And this later, when I go over pages and add things, I can add things here. Now remember, this is a pocket. Remember, so we can add whatever inserts. Oops, just dropped my glue. We can add inserts in here and have like a hidden compartment in our art journal or junk journal or whatever, mini album, whatever we add this to. So this is our Creepy Ancestors flap, and this is our Creepy Ancestor insert, which is also a pocket. So I really hope you like this tutorial. Go ahead and download the paper perks from the Facebook group. Again, you have a link in the description under the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video so you won't miss anything, and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.